Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Lora and it is almost Christmas time, but I wanted to take a minute just to show you what I've been working on and what I've completed. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. And I know this is a busy time of year, so just you watching my video means a lot to me. If you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate that too. So first of all, let me show you. This is a sweater that I made using the Secret Yarnery Party Cardi pattern, and I made this a couple of years ago with the big twist acrylic yarn, and it has the sparkles in it. Even the white part has some glitter in it. I don't know if you can see that, but this is a really easy pattern if you're looking to make a hooded cardigan. There's a pretty little hood there. I did have it displayed on Lola, my mannequin behind me, but I wanted to put it on since it's almost Christmas time. So I have a couple of projects that I made. Now the first thing I want to show you is this cute little pumpkin pie. I made this for my niece because she loves pumpkin pie. And I started off with a pattern from Michaels and from the Michaels website. And it got confusing after you made the triangular orange part, after you made the pie part. So when you were doing the crust, I didn't understand how they did it. So I just figured it out on my own and just made my own little way to add the crust. And then I looked up online how to make a little dollop of whipped cream. So I thought that turned out really cute. And so then the next thing that I made for my other niece was this adorable little cupcake. There's a tutorial for this on YouTube, and I will link that down below. And I thought this turned out really cute. Very super easy to make, very quick, and you can make all different colors. And the next thing that I was working on, I made a little Suzette stitch washcloth while I was in the car, while my husband was driving. We were, going on a little bit of a trip, and I made this beautiful little Suzette stitch washcloth. And one thing that I did do that was messed up is I put too many stitches on one side and not enough on the other when I was doing the border. So it didn't come out perfectly rectangular, but it's pretty close. And I just really love the Suzette stitch. It's very dense and it's very easy to do. It's basically just a single crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch, skip a stitch, single crochet and a double crochet in the next stitch. So that's what I like to do, and because it's quick and easy and it's very pretty and textured. The Suzette stitch inspired me to make a cowl out of my leftover yarn from the pumpkins that I did. And if you haven't seen my pumpkin tutorial, I'll link that in a card up above. So let me just show you. This is the cowl that I made. And I have an olive green coat, and I'll show you what that looks like. I'll probably put it in my thumbnail, but this looks really good with the olive green coat. And I just did the Suzette stitch, and I folded it over and sewed it in the back. And I think I'll go ahead and I probably will do a tutorial, or I might even put a pattern up on Ravelry for this. I've never put a pattern on Ravelry. And then I made a Suzette stitch beanie. Now this thing turned out pretty big. My head isn't that big, but it fits well. It doesn't really mess up your hair. Looks kind of cute, huh? So I was excited about making this. So I think I'll go ahead and do a tutorial on both of these, or put a pattern on Ravelry. I'm not really sure if I can get around to it. It is busy and my mind is always full of all kinds of different ideas, and I just really need to make a real good plan for next year, for 2023. And with that being said, I did get a couple of cards in my P.O. box. I don't visit my P.O. box often unless I know I have things coming. And I did get a nice card from Angela from My Precious Yarnery, and it says, wishing you and your family a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And she has a pretty little logo in there with the Santa hat. I thought that was so cute. And then she also included a little calendar, which I thought was cute too. So I'll go ahead and put that on my little cart that's right next to me. It's got her logo on it. So thank you so much, Angela. I really appreciate that. And then I got another card from Tia H from Ohio. She donates often to my charity giveaways here, and she says, best wishes at Christmas, joy and happiness for Christmas and the new year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thanks for being my yarny friend. Love, Tia. So that is really special to me, and I'm going to put them on my little shelf right here, and I appreciate those cards a whole lot. So thank you everyone for all of your support throughout the year. I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas. Enjoy the time that you have with your loved ones, and you know, if for some reason you can't be together, just try and give yourself some grace and be good to yourself and make it a good day no matter what. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it a lot. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll see you soon. And don't forget, I go live usually every Tuesday and Friday at 1 p.m. Central Time. Have a great day and Merry Christmas. Bye.